good day to you all. Hope you all are making money. Hope you all are living fine. Hope you all are killing the market. Okay, so in today's video I want to share with you guys a top-down analysis on Bund 500 and what I'm looking at currently before taking an entry. Okay, so without wasting much of that, let me quickly do that. Okay, and before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about my VIP strategy, the strategy which I've been talking about ever since. Okay, so if you know you have not yet come for the strategy, my WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. All right, do check it out and message me so that we discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, this strategy is usable by both beginner and pro traders. Okay, if you're a beginner, you can also use this strategy to grow your $5 account. As little as a $5 account, you can grow it with this strategy I'm talking about. All right, so that is that about that. All right, now the first thing I'm going to be doing right here in this market is to identify the trend of the market. All right, so as you can see right now, without being told, you can see that we are in an uptrend on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame, as you can see. All right, and this is the time frame I like to do to start my analysis from, down to the 15 or the 5 minutes where I'll be taking my entries. All right, using price action, because this is going to be a price action strategy. All right, so now I will identify the trend by using my trend line. All right, so as you can see right now, you can see after marking it out like this, you can see that we are in an uptrend, right? So now I'm going to step down to the 4 hour to see what the market is doing. So as you can see here on the 4 hours, you can see something happened here. Market kind of did some faked out here, broke down as if it wants to go down here, go up here to retest and then continue to the down. Now you can see it has broken above the trend line again. All right, so this is going to be like kind of confusing if you are a newbie. All right, but I know what to do here also. Now I'm going to put in some trend line here again, marking out these two structures in the market which I'm seeing. All right, so now after marking this out, what I do is that I go down to the 1 hour time frame to see what's happening there also. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this is what's happening here. You can see the price is currently at this area, which is serving as a support and resistance zone now. Right, it's serving as a resistance zone currently. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to still try as much as possible to identify the support area there so that I'll know how to approach it. So I'll mark out this zone here. There's a zone there. I'll mark it out. Now, this is what I'm looking out for. I'm not going to take any entry until this candlestick like price break completely above this gray area here, above this support and resistance zone, come back for a retest. All right, that's when I'll be looking out to take my buy entry. So at the moment I'm not going to be taking entry. So let's move down to the 30-minute time frame and see what's going on. Now you can see on the 30-minute time frame, there's also something that we need to look out for. You can see this daily trend line here is not showing on the 30-minute time frame. All right, it's not showing there. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to draw another line here because I want to see that line. So I'll draw another line here so that if I step down to the 30-minute, I'm still going to see something to work with, right? So now let's step down to the 30-minute time frame. Now you can see the line is here. Okay, the line is here now. Now this is what I want to do. Now I know what to do before taking the buy entry. Now let's prepare for the sell entry also, right? So here on the 30-minute time frame, I don't want to do anything here. I don't want to do anything in this area. So but you can also take some scalping trade, like you can go in, get out, like something like that. So for us to do that, let's go to the 15-minute time frame, or let's say 5-minute time frame. All right, here on the 5-minute time frame, you can just like put in a little bit of trend line here, starting from here like this. All right, you can see like here, you mark it out. Now this is what you want to do. You want to wait for price. If it doesn't succeed in breaking out of this gray area or this zone here to the upside, then come back to retest as I've explained earlier. You are going to also get the early sell entry once price like comes down to this place. Once price comes down to this place, break below the trend line, right? It will break below the trend line. After breaking below the trend line, it's going to now go back for a retest like this to the gray area, right? And sometimes it will not go back for a retest too. That's why immediately if I see it breaks below this candlestick successfully with that 5-minute candlestick closing below this area successfully, I'm going to take my my sell, and I'll hold till it gets to this area here, and then I'll exit and wait for the 15-minute time frame on to break below this our daily line here, right, or the 1 hour trend line here. Once the 15-minute on breaks, for that I'm going to wait for a break and retest. All right, I will not just use the 15-minute candlestick. I'll wait for a break and retest and some other conditions, all right, before taking the entry. All right, so this is kind of a price action strategy. So for those of you that understand price action, you know the approach. Price action works very well on boom and crash also, all right, but it's going to work perfectly on the higher time frame. All right, so the perfect and recommended time frame is the 15-minute time frame. Like you do your analysis from the higher time frame, let's say the daily, then you stop at the 15-minute time frame. All right, it's going to work very well. And you can also use the 5-minute time frame, just as you see. I've done my analysis here. Now I'm waiting for these two conditions. All right, see that price goes to the upside right here, breaks, right, come back for a retest like this to this area again, and we look for our buy to the upside. It's as simple as that. You can see I've made my preparation, so I'm either waiting for something like this to happen, or I'll wait for the buy condition like this to happen. All right, either way I'm going to be making money today. All right, it's as simple as that. So I just say I should quickly share with you guys this wonderful analysis so that you can also have an idea or an approach to the market. All right, it's as simple as that. So that is pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. All right, someone asked that I should make a price action video. All right, that's why I'm making this. It has been long I did something like this. I mostly post indicator strategy because I see that is what most of you want. You don't want to stress yourself. You want something simple. No problem, I'm here for you anytime. All right, I can give you whatever you want. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, so that's it. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.